Cormac's Kitchen.
Cormac's cooking show?
Cormac's. Dada said Cormac's Kitchen.
Which one do you like better?
Cormac's Kitchen. Ding! Welcome to my cooking show. And today we're gonna make peanut butter balls. Here is the ingredients you need. Chocolate chips, peanut butter,
Flaxseed.
flaxseed, honey, oats. We have to measure the ingredients.
Do you want to use your spatula to ding?
Sort of like a magic wand.
Okay, half a cup of chocolate chips. Ding.
No, don't.
2/3 of a cup of peanut butter. Ding. A third a cup of flaxseed. Ding. Ding. 2 tablespoons of honey. Ding.
Wait, get back on your spot.
1 cup of oats. Ding. Now let's mix them together.
Oh!
Oh.
Does that look good?
Yes.
What are you adding now?
Chocolate chips. What is it called again?
Flaxseed.
Flaxseed. Now you stir them together. This might be hard work. Mama,
Yeah.
Kaylee's allergic to chocolate.
Really?
Yes. She has to put raisins in her peanut butter balls.
Yeah.
I think I'm done now.
No.
Roll them up into the balls. I can only roll it like that.
Okay. That's okay.
Now, I think I have to wash my hands now.
Okay.
Ding! We're gonna put them into the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Let's take them out of the refrigerator.
Okay, now take a bite.
Yummy. That's how you make peanut butter balls. Thanks for watching Cormac's Kitchen. Done with the film. Ding!